Hi everyone, I'm going to teach very fast and practice how to recover a dead 18,650 cell. This may happen for several reasons, but in my case it was a continuous discharge in the battery by a defective circuit. This symptom is a bad signal. In other cases may even have a faulty stack permanently. So what I'm going to do and create a way to put a rechargeable battery with a positive pole in the positive pole of the battery without load, and then with a cable to touch the negative poles of the same. This will transfer some charge to the dead battery, enough to start recharging in a common charger. Thank you for watching. If you like, leave a taste, I'll improve.